Alright guys, on the delivery trail, we're in Portmore now. Portmore for sure. Not a call center. I'm sure you remember it. Hello. So you could just have me in the sun so. Yeah, I like the glasses. Huh? Say yes to stutter so. Yes. Anyway, these are your packages. How are you today? You're okay? Are you a platinum member? Why not? Alright, so I got good news for you. Platinum membership requires no money. So when I talk platinum membership, to sign up, it now costs you $1. And guess what I'm gonna do for you when you sign up a platinum membership? 4 times for the year, I'll give you free shipping. How about that? So I could be paying for these right now. But no, you choose not to sign up because you don't like the good free things then. What kind of things you like? You just like spend your money just so?
I tried it.
You try it out? It's a done deal. Just go back, sign up, go on our webpage and just sign up. Anything you want to tell me nice? I think I run coming your lunchtime, out of breath. All the car time. What nice you want to tell me? Tell me something to make me blush, man. Not bother with that, man. It's a nice day. Today's Friday, you know? It's a nice day. Tell me something for my blush, you know? Such a shy. What you say a while ago? I'm having to kill this, man. Anyway, now we're getting more trouble because I know you say you're on a mad rush to get back inside.
Yeah.
So this is how it is. It's our lunchtime and we're here. We have to get our package because she said she likes spending her money. She likes spending money. That's why she works so hard. Anyway, have a good one. So here we are, guys. So on the delivery trail. It's kind of hot. I think I need a beer this time. We'll see how that goes.